So we'll go into issue tracks, and from issue tracks we have particular tags that we are going to be working on in this particular lab. So what we want to do is to go into floor 1 and open issue. Then we want to, let's go to floor 2 rather, and we go to marketing 6. We open the PC in marketing 6 and we open files and folders. And here we want to download pictures. Let's look at the layout. Let's go to restore and we'll go to layout this, and we'll go ahead and restore this, and we'll go ahead and replace this particular one. We click OK to authenticate the changes we made, and we'll go ahead and right click on images. From images we want to go to restore previous, and we'll go ahead and select this. We'll go ahead and click restore. We go ahead and check this and we click OK to authenticate the changes we made. Alright, so let's see, is there any other tasks we need to do? Let's go over to floor 1, IT admin. We want to go ahead and add a comment to this particular ticket and then close the ticket. So here we are going to input the comment telling the user that the issue has been fixed. So for this comment area, it doesn't have to be this comment that I input here. You can decide to input your own comment and everything is still fine. So we'll go ahead and click the plus button and add. So let's go ahead and close this, and we'll go ahead and score lab and see how we do, and everything is correct. Now if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And if you're having any challenges with any of your IT courses and you are not sure that you are going to come out with an A+ at the end of this term, what you can do is to reach me through WhatsApp, and I am going to be of great help to you. I'll ensure you come out with an A in any of your IT courses, no matter the challenges you've been facing before that led you to the point where you have not been able to do either your assignment or missed out on a couple of labs and discussion. Just hit me in through my WhatsApp number and let's discuss, and I will ensure you come out with an A. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.